From low-risk options to high-reward strategies, there's a trader for everyone. You can sit back and relax while Protocol Yield works to grow your wealth. Join Protocol Yield now and let the experts trade for you. Trading can be overwhelming, with endless charts and data to analyze. Protocol Yield is here to simplify trading for you. Our powerful AI algorithms analyze the markets and execute smart trades on your behalf. Choose from low-risk, high-reward, or fast-growing traders based on your risk appetite. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your wealth grow effortlessly. Join Protocol Yield today and let AI do the heavy lifting while you enjoy the profits. Meet Protocol Yield, the AI-driven trading platform designed to elevate your investments, your goals, your strategy. Our AI crafts a plan that fits your risk appetite, from steady growth to high-reward opportunities. Our AI works around the clock, detecting market shifts and acting instantly to maximize your returns. Stay informed with real-time profit tracking. Know exactly how your investments are performing anytime, anywhere. Your money, your control. Withdraw earnings instantly, whenever you need them. Smarter trading starts here. Join Protocol Yield and let AI work for you. Welcome to Protocol Yield, the AI-powered platform designed to make smart investments effortless. Tired of analyzing market data and making complex trading decisions? Protocol Yield simplifies it all with AI-driven strategies tailored to your goals. With Protocol Yield, you can choose your strategy, whether it's balanced growth, low-risk security, or high-reward opportunities. Our AI executes it flawlessly. Our AI works around the clock, analyzing the markets and making smart decisions, so your investments can grow while you focus on life. Sit back and watch your wealth grow. With Protocol Yield, profits are just a tap away. When you're ready,
Recording in progress.
General disclaimer. Welcome to this official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 3.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis and are active participants in all products they are presenting. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general and not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone, so we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing to view this presentation. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing an Affiliate Marketing 3.0 official presentation. All products and services, their component parts and operating methods and systems, either provided by or created by Affiliate Marketing 3.0, belong solely to Affiliate Marketing 3.0. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any Affiliate Marketing 3.0 product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences.
Hello, greetings to everybody. Welcome.
I wholeheartedly welcome each and everybody on behalf of Affiliate Marketing 3.0. For those who may not know me, my name is Gabriela and I'm from Hungary, and I have been a part of this community for quite some time. I feel honored and privileged that I will be your host for this evening. As we all eagerly wait for Wednesday's community call, tonight the CEO updates us on all the progress and news. So please invite your friends and your community. Before we dive in, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all our new guests joining us for the first time. We are delighted to have you here, and we hope tonight's session gives you a deeper understanding of the immense potential and opportunities available within our business. I also acknowledge the presence of rank leaders and trainers from the panel. So, without further ado, it is my absolute honor to introduce the mastermind behind this thriving organization. Please help me welcome our esteemed CEO, Shavez. Shavez will shortly be with us, so please stay tuned. And while we wait for him, gather your friends and invite everybody. Let's hear all the news from Shavez.
Investing doesn't have to be stressful or complicated. Let Protocol Yield connect you with top-performing traders so you can invest with confidence. From low-risk options to high-reward strategies, there's a trader for everyone. You can sit back and relax while Protocol Yield works to grow your wealth. Join Protocol Yield now and let the experts trade for you. Trading can be overwhelming, with endless charts and data to analyze. Protocol Yield is here to simplify trading for you. Our powerful AI algorithms analyze the markets and execute smart trades on your behalf. Choose from low-risk, high-reward, or fast-growing traders based on your risk appetite. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your wealth grow effortlessly. Join Protocol Yield today and let AI do the heavy lifting while you enjoy the profits. Meet Protocol Yield, the AI-driven trading platform designed to elevate your investments, your goals, your strategy. Our AI crafts a plan that fits your risk appetite, from steady growth to high-reward opportunities. Our AI works around the clock, detecting market shifts and acting instantly to maximize your returns. Stay informed with real-time profit tracking. Know exactly how your investments are performing anytime, anywhere. Your money, your control. Withdraw earnings instantly, whenever you need them. Smarter trading starts here. Join Protocol Yield and let AI work for you. Welcome to Protocol Yield, the AI-powered platform designed to make smart investments effortless. Tired of analyzing market data and making complex trading decisions? Protocol Yield simplifies it all with AI-driven strategies tailored to your goals. With Protocol Yield, you can choose your strategy, whether it's balanced growth, low-risk security, or high-reward opportunities. Our AI executes it flawlessly. Our AI works around the clock, analyzing the markets and making smart decisions, so your investments can grow while you focus on life. Sit back and watch your wealth grow. With Protocol Yield, profits are just a tap away. When you're ready, accessing your profits is fast and easy. Just one tap, and it's in your hands. Protocol Yield takes your trading to the next level.
Until we wait for Shavez, I would like to invite Rashid.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Wednesday call. This is one of the most exciting day of the week when we get all the insights, all the updates from none other than the CEO himself. Shavez is in an important meeting. He will take just a couple of more minutes to join us. And yes, definitely we have some great news, some amazing updates from Shavez. So please stay tuned. Please invite maximum team so that everybody gets update. So right now, if we speak of our latest product, that is Pi, it is turned out to be one of the fantastic product which has been delivering consistent profit for everybody. I'm sure most of the members have joined the trainings. They have been a part of the system and have been using Pi for like almost 10 days now. So Pi, it's gonna be one of the remarkable product delivered by Affiliate Marketing 3.0. And right now we already have our esteemed CEO with us, and let us hear it from him and get us all the updates. So Shavez, over to you. You are most welcome, and let's hear it from you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I believe everybody's doing good. What an incredible first few days of Pi. Really amazing. I believe every one of you who has joined here has been using Pi, has been trading on Pi, and got an idea as to how Pi works. This is becoming so incredible in last couple of days that with every PSDS, the whole community is getting better and better understanding of Pi. And I think how these HFTs are performing, their behavior. So this is what we are going to discuss today. And for this, I'll share my screen and start. I have some interesting updates as well that we are going to discuss today. Okay, perfect. So how many people are watching PSDS every single day? Raise your hand. Let me see. How many people are monitoring PSDS every single day and they are excited for it? Okay, perfect. Cool, cool. Nice. Amazing. Perfect. All right, cool. So with every PSDS, I believe you guys are getting a little better understanding of Pi, a little more or deeper insights as to how Pi works. And what I see is with every PSDS, we are able to realize that whenever, if we go on our portfolio page, whenever we go and check the profits and they are identical, like 4%, 8%, 5%, 4%. So if I have put $5,000 in all these services combined together, I made these profits. These profits are going to be my identical profits if I would have put $50,000 in it. This realization is turning all the free trading pass users into license 1 and then 2. Last 10 days, the behavior of investors, which I saw from backend, was what? People start with free trading pass. They pass first 3 days of high water mark. They get their PSDS. They see their profits for next 2 or 3 more days. After 3 PSDS, they get a license from WAAS. They upgrade their account and they put more money because they now know that they are generating this kind of profits. This is basic understanding of Pi so far. Okay, now we will go into a little more details, much deeper into how these HFTs are performing. What is the insights from the market if we see from outside HFTs and their behavior of trade. When we go and see the market, we see there has been a downtrend. which has been still consistent. And in this persistent downturn, these traders are beating the market. This is what we say, beating the market. You see in the pi score, there is an analogy which says beats the market. Whenever market goes down, traders, they still make money. With every service you will see. So Purple Swan, then we go on Blackwood Capital. You will see beats the market 5 out of 5. Then go on Swift Holdings. You go check beats the market 5 out of 5. Then you go on BTC Alpha. You go check beats the market 5 out of 5. You go on Algo Rider. Check beats the market 5 out of 5. This tells us that these HFTs are the best ones among 686 HFTs that we are monitoring in real time every single day. And that's how we are analyzing, that's how we are scoring these HFTs, and we are bringing them over to your dashboard one by one. And we are going to introduce Cipher Flow also, which is a big whale strategy to the marketplace of Pi. And the more we get to know about them when we see them trading. What I do, how do I compare? Because see, I can go and check Dodo. I can check Dodo. Where is the current asset holding or spot market where you have bought the index, you have bought the crypto, and which is against or which is currently trading in the market, which is a spot position for you. And when we see the spot position and their progress in last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, then we go and see Pi. We see 1 month, 3 month, 6 months in a very different, aspect. The reason is their nature or their strategy of beating the market. That's why they're the best. That's the reason why we did not try to become one of the HFTs. We scored them. So if we go and check portfolio, okay. So this gives me better idea as to my percentage profits that by these HFTs generated for me, they can be identical. If instead of $5,000, I would have put $50,000, my portfolio would have got identical profits. And that's it. That's the whole product. That's the whole, concept. And this is what we are doing. We are giving away the free pass. Users come, they put $10 each or $100 in a strategy, and then they monitor. They see the progress, they go and buy a license and start investing. So the entire component of Pi is now understood in terms of operations, how it works. Now with these, if we go on quick stats, we can see our own individual growth chart. This is our portfolio P&L in last 30 days or last 10 days of operations of Pi. I have made $270. I can see whole picture. I can see my investment risk. I can see all the services. So this is my personal section where the benefits, the profits generated by these services will be visible. So after 1 month will pass by, my understanding will become really, really different as to how these services are bringing profits to me. And then 3 months and then 6 months. These 3 and 6 months will be different in terms of my own strategy and your strategy. You will maybe you generate more profits. Next day you see pi score of Purple Swan changing because it's everyday process. Algo Rider pi score changing differently, and then they all you start moving money from one service to other service to different, and this is how it will be functional. So uh, right now, as a community, we have very basic idea of pi, and we are in the process of understanding the whole perspective of the product, and this can be unique with everyone. Some people who wants to, develop a portfolio for their pension, they want to replace their pension fund with pi, they can. Some people who are, interested in getting daily percentage, daily interest, or daily profits, daily yield on their funds, they will put $500,000 and put on withdrawal every day their profits, and that's it. Or they can do what? They can do 50-50, 50% reinvestment, 50% withdrawal, and they will consistently generate profits, and their funds are in their custody. But what I have seen and what you guys have been doing, which is very smart though, uh, people have been following the reinvestment strategy, 100% reinvestment, because you have a chance, you have liberty of withdrawing anything, any amount from these services at any time. With next PSDS, it will settle. So this is where the reinvestment nature of pi is going to help people multiply their wealth, multiply their capital, uh, in a very, very unique way. And I think this is one of the best features of pi, along with pi score, that you are able to see and then invest and then reinvest. So what I did for one first week, I did reinvestment in last two services. That's why I have pending transactions here. See? And first two services I reinvested. You see? So, and then I changed. Then I changed my strategy. I did reinvest 100% because I don't want the profits to go on in my available balance every day, because I don't need money every day. Maybe I would need money. After 10 days, I will simply go and withdraw. The part of investment, maybe I want to take out $500 from here. I can take $500 out, no problem. I can just click on withdraw and it will be requested on my PSDS cycle. Okay, let me withdraw, cancel my withdrawal. I don't want withdrawal. Okay, it's cancelled now. See, this kind of seamless experience pi brings to you. And if we try to understand with more deeper perspective, from my point of view, this is what users experienced in last couple of days. But what I experienced is the behavior of these HFTs. The way they are trading, the way they are bringing profits to you is the strategy, is a cool strategy, which kind of shows us that it is not just the profits that they are after. These HFTs are also focused on not losing money along with bringing profits. So it's, you can say it's dual strategy of making profits as well as not losing money. And we can see it evidently if we go and check the history of trades. How many people check the history of trades of these HFTs? Okay. If you guys would have seen uh, maybe day before yesterday, that means yesterday's PSDS, these HFTs did not keep some deep positions, right? They were trading very less. And that is the reason we evidently now see that they are also focused towards not losing the money along with making the money. So these strategies, these instincts, they help us understand the behavior of their trading strategy. And that's why I always say, whenever I want to take the overview of the market, I go on Dodo because it's the current standing of the market. This is the market view for me in 3 hours, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. And simple, very simple. So, and we saw yesterday, many positions in Dodo were liquidated. How many people got their positions liquidated yesterday in Dodo? Because the market came down and all your stop losses were at 40, 50%. Okay, yes, one. I saw many. Okay, two. Any more people? Your positions were liquidated on Dodo at stop loss? Okay, Nizla. All right. See, yes, this is the behavior of market, and that's where Dodo saved you with 50% of stop loss. So when we see the market, we understand that these HFTs are evidently beating the market. And that's where we are able to establish that this is something where not just investors, but also progressive marketers can have, a fortune. Because if you start with $10 and then you continue affiliate marketing, you keep putting your profits, your earnings from the affiliate side into Pi, and you grow your portfolio consistently from free trading pass to license 6, your AUM and your license is going to change your life. And then you have rest of the products in WAAS. You have Liquid Pay, you have Dodo, you have Capital 3.0, you have BTCC. So now our ecosystem is complete, which is giving you the products which are kind of beating the market and letting you win in almost all conditions of the market. You guys are, all of us are market proof. Okay, now let's start with the announcements. Okay, so the progressive web app of Pi is updated. Now you guys can remove the app, PWA, and install it again, add it again to your home page, and you will see the updated progressive web app on Pi. How many people updated already? Okay, perfect. Okay. Rest of you can update. Once you update this, you will have all the features in the app, and app will allow you to deposit, withdraw, everything. Some features were not working properly in the first version of the PWA, but now we updated. So transaction hash, everything is visible. Everything is now accessible on PWA also. Also, good news is we are going to turn the PWA into a regular phone app on iOS and Android as well. The development has already started. in couple of weeks, we will release the apps on the stores as well. So you will have Pi application as well as, in the iOS and Android both on stores. So this is going to be done. Next announcement is on Liquid Pay. Liquid Pay 2.1.2 update is here. This update brings base network on Liquid Pay. iOS is already updated. Play Store or Android is still in progress, in review. Once it will be updated, you will see. This update also brings some UI changes. There were some UI bugs that we fixed on claiming your custodian wallet. Also, this brings the next update also. The BEP20 network will also come without the update next week. So BEP20 network, base network, these both network, you can say installments on the app has been done. So the next network BEP20 which will come, this won't need an app update. It will be pushed automatically live and you will have the BEP20 network on Liquid Pay automatically. So with WAAS, also the deposits directly into Liquid Pay in USDC will be enabled by hopefully by this weekend. Now you can deposit, but there is a fee that's being deducted from WAAS. But as I promised last week on the call, that when you withdraw directly from WAAS to Liquid Pay, your 2% fee will not be deducted. This will start functioning by this weekend. So this is also integrated properly. Now just the testing is being done. Once the testing will be finished, without an app update, this functionality will be active. Also, we have major updates on Liquid Pay coming, major updates on Pi coming from next week onwards, especially on Liquid Pay. Next week, I'm going to do very, very, very big announcement. This announcement is going to, boost your confidence, morale, everything. And this is going to be one of the biggest announcements on Liquid Pay. Now we are in the complied game and we are playing very well in this whole complied segment. And I think with entities like Liquid Pay and Pi, we will be able to establish really, really good reputation in the financial landscape as well. And also, this is going to, in return, give a lot of recognition to WAAS, Affiliate Marketing 3.0, how we are doing it. Also, from next week onwards, the announcements will follow. Also, I'm going to meet key leaders. They are all flying to Dubai, and we are going to have number of events. In these events, there are meetings, there are some conferences, and these leaders are going to take part with me. And these are going to be one of the most remarkable events, or you can say remarkable, time for our community, for our organization. And once I will be back in Dubai, this will all start. So next week onwards, the announcements are going to be really, really big. On Pi, on Liquid Pay, your mindset, your understanding will. I know it's already good. You guys are well equipped, well learned about Pi, about Liquid Pay, but these small progresses which we have got in terms of recognition are going to help you gain more conviction in the products. And we have recently signed some agreements, MOUs, collaborations with one of the biggest companies, one of the biggest organizations, to ensure that our ecosystem is fueled by many other facilitators and your whole experience in crypto is enhanced. So this is what I'm going to do. Now our whole ecosystem is complete. Now I'm only working on enhancing it in terms of user experience. And you all are users, your user experience. The way you are going to see whole WAAS transform, uh, you will realize slowly, gradually, WAAS is all regulated. WAAS is all following uh, all kind of regulations around the world, and it's giving you access to regulated products only. And this particular complied game is really interesting, and you can say it's really relieving to work with such compliance. And well, I have been struggling also a lot in the initial phase, but now I'm really enjoying it. It is really fun. It is worth working hard for. In the Indian call, I was showing some of my email screenshots. Recently we got our domain blocked, and immediately within 2 to 3 hours, they unblocked our domain because now we are into a complete complied game. So let me show you guys. I showed, and this is interesting, you know. Okay, here is it. See, if you guys remember 12 days ago when we were ready to launch Pi, we published our website, and our domain pi.xyz was strike down because these organizations, their legal teams are very vigilant. And see, so we wrote to our domain provider that we hosted a website. Please help us regain access of domain as we are rightful owners of the domain. And their response was, your domain was found engaging in phishing abuse and deactivated. Phishing is illegal and against our terms and condition. Here is the evidence of the abuse. This was a link. It was Bybit, trademark of Bybit, that we are using Bybit logo. I told you guys that we are using Bybit, Binance, we are official brokers. So since Bybit's legal team would not know of this, uh, brokership, or it may not have been updated at their end, our domain was strike down. And then what we did, because we are complied, because we are following every other MOU, we are following all the, regulated compliances. We wrote to, name Silo, domain provider, that we contacted Bybit and their RM, and then they facilitated. And in 2 hours, our domain was, unsuspended. This is the flavor of complied game. Now what we are doing is, you know, it's something that whenever you guys at your end sell something, sell a product, you can now hold yourself responsible for it because it's complied. It comes with issuance, with following the local jurisdiction, with following the international regulated norms. So for me personally, I think it has become uh, a new experience, and I'm really enjoying it. And I think I'm killing it, uh, you know, lately, because from next week, what you guys are going to hear is something you would not have imagined that we would reach from BTCC towards Boomerang, towards Capital 3.0, towards Liquid Pay, and then Pi, and such transformation after Pi that we are in a completely regulated game, and we are also recognized by the wide world, because these products are unique. You have experienced it, I have experienced it, but now these unique products have been gone to open wide world. These products are one of a kind, and you will see the kind of recognition we are going to, uh, get with all these. So from next week, this whole transformational journey starts. I'm going to be back to Dubai. I was traveling. I went to China. I went to Thailand. I was on a boat ride for almost 2 days on a boat. I had fun. I enjoyed it also. I had rest. I worked too much last, couple of months. And from next Wednesday, we will see really, really different picture. So get ready. Some people are flying to Dubai. They will be with me when all these news, all these decisions will be announced. Thank you.
Wow, that was really amazing. Great news. Thank you, Shavez, for the updates. A huge round of applause and heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed CEO, Shavez. Your vision, leadership, and wisdom continue to inspire and empower us all. And we are truly honored to have had this opportunity to gain first-hand knowledge and clear explanations from you about Pi and great updates. Thank you so much. The more we hear from you, the more we understand it. I would like to kindly ask you, Shavez, are you taking any questions tonight from leaders?
Yes, if leaders have any questions, I can take.
Trashi, please go ahead and unmute and ask your question.
Hi, Shavez. Very exciting news. We are waiting for next updates, and I know we are gonna claim this 2025 moving forward. And Shavez, the basic challenge with few people is regarding that email verification. Can we just brief on that and about the time change of the PSDS cycle?
Sure, sure. So for the email, yes, with every product, this is happening. When we push the product live, a lot of people, they sign up, and domain is like having a lot of traffic all of a sudden, and we usually get blocked. But since we are working also in order to get a domain unblocked everywhere, one by one from all these services. So this is happening. I think 99% of this domain issue with emails is solved by DMRC. Uh, Rest of them will also be functional. Like you mentioned, Trashit, some private, or you can say personal domain providers, they are not able to process the postmaster services to our domain. And this will also be whitelisted, I think, in a couple of weeks. This is a regular process. This is what happens to new domains that comes out. And maybe in future, if we launch more products from the same tech house, from the same ownership of the domains, these things will be smooth. And this is how everything works, I think. So yes, this is the story of domain, of emails. Next, about PSDS. PSDS, we changed that time because traders, HFTs, they suggested. Next, there were more resolutions which were passed in our, you know, in our meeting with the tech team, with the HFTs, with the backend team, with the accounts team. Also, the big reason is US market opens up uh, at that time, so it's the best time to exit and enter in the market to you know to eventually get the best out of it. So yes, that's the best time according to
So the
us.
new timing would be 18 hours, between 18 to 20 hours UTC, right?
Yes, yes.
And so just out of curiosity, if anybody is able to use the email, the private email or whatsoever we call it, on
Mhm,
Dodo and other products like WAAS, Dodo, and other things,
mhm.
how come now that with Pi we are not able to use the same domain? Has the technology changed, or what would be the
No, no,
reason?
no, no. It's not about technology. It's just about registering a new domain. So let's say you built Thrashit.com, you built an email t@thrashit.com. It's a all new domain. It needs to be registered in the ARC separate, just like I can on domains.
Okay.
So every product has different registry. It's not like it is coming from the same tech house. It does not impact. We have to whitelist the domains. We did a lot of hard work also before Pi because I knew that I had experience of Liquid Pay at that time because domains were not accessible in Liquid Pay initially also. So we did everything that was supposed to be done before, but since on the day one we got 3,000 and next day we got 5,000 registrations in total. So this is the story.
And Shavez, on the DYQ form, we received one of the inquiry about the BTCC blockchain.
Mhm.
Are the updates going on? When are we expecting the updates to
Yes,
resolve? And when the node subscription will be available back?
of course, of course. Updates are going on. Wait, that's why I'm saying from 24th, 23rd, uh, you guys are going to only hear updates. The updates which we were holding back because of the Pi launch. And these updates are transformational updates. WAS, you will see completely changed. What we are trying to do on WAS is something you have never imagined. We are going to revolutionize affiliate marketing industry with WAS. The whole mindset will change. The moment user enters WAS, they do not need help of their upline who invited them. This is how seamless WAS is going to become. So BTCC transformational updates was transformational updates from 23rd onwards. You will see.
Superb.
This really sounds nice. Amazing, amazing. Wow. Yes, I would like to ask Shiba Joe to go ahead and unmute and please turn your camera on because we'd like to see you as well and ask the question to Shavez. Thank you.
Hi, Shavez. As always, just another exciting week in the house, isn't it? You're right. You are certainly killing it without doubt. And it just keeps getting more and more exciting. Sorry to go back to the email thing, but I had an unusual thing last night,
Mhm.
which I'm curious if what happened. So obviously my email address, I haven't been receiving the verification code.
Yes,
So I tested it last night, and I got a verification code,
Oh.
but the verification code wasn't valid. And now I'm not receiving it again. And it seems very unusual how one would come through and then not another one. What would cause that?
exactly. Same thing. It's all about different domains. Like I showed you guys one day, in number of devices, we had to fix our compatibility with Liquid Pay app. Simply with that, whenever you come up with a new colorful domain to us, they block us because they see us as a place where so many people are going. Why are they going? Are they selling drugs
Yeah,
online? Like that.
selling dreams.
Selling drinks.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess what would be the next step now then? Is it just kind of waiting?
Just kind of waiting. People who don't want to wait, they can register with new email, they can start. People who want to change their email later, they can change also with the support. So once Pi support will come up on WhatsApp chat, they can validate their details and they can get their emails changed also later. So it's just moment of time. You guys can continue with another email if you have not applied for KYC. If your KYC is approved, you're good to go.
Okay, just a silly question then. If
Uh-huh.
if a new email address is going to require validation, then the validation will go to the old email address, won't it?
No. If your account is not KYC, then you can register a new account. Why to use the old account?
Well, if I change, because mine's KYC'd, obviously.
Oh, okay.
So if I need a verification email, that's going to go to my email address that's not receiving verifications.
Of course. So I can help you personally. Then it's the support thing. And let me release the support chatbot. Hopefully by Friday. By Friday, you will have the support chatbot, and everyone who has this similar issue can write to support chat. They will ask for your KYC because it's a compliant platform. They will take your KYC, they will verify it, and they will change your email with WhatsApp chat.
You're awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And here is David with us from the Financial Freedom team. Please go ahead and
Hello.
unmute. Hi,
Hello.
David.
Hello. Hi, Shavez.
Hello.
Question, and it's actually to make it more clear, because I know that I get a lot of questions. When people buy have the free license with Pi, and they have their ending of 30 days, then it goes to the available balance from the trading.
Yes.
But when they have an active package, license 1, then it continues trading.
Yeah.
So when let's say they put in 2,500 and it goes to trade, and then it goes above the 2,500. Is it then trading with the whole amount, or is it only trading with the 2,500?
You are trading with the whole amount, and you can keep trading for next 10, 20 years and turn your $2,500 into maybe $2.5 million. No problem. There is no cap.
But you cannot add more into it.
You cannot add more into it.
Then you need a bigger license.
Then you need a bigger license.
Cool. Super. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, David. Thank you. And lastly, please, Vinny, go ahead and unmute and ask your question.
Oops, yeah, here we go. Hi, good evening, Shavez. How are you?
I'm good.
A question just for a clarification for the liquid pay when it comes to the shipping of these cards, right? Any more clarity also, and also are we gonna use courier services like UPS or using standard mail? Because some people are holding their head that if you use standard mail, they will never get the card.
Okay, no problem. Well, we are not going to use standard email for sure because they don't have international coverage with all the jurisdictions. So what we are going to do is we are going to ship from our printing center to different hubs, and these hubs will be maybe multiple in a country if the country is big, can be of different countries in one country if the countries are closer, like European countries, can be multiple in India, can be multiple in US, because we are going to ship anyway from the US, can be multiple in South America. So this is how we are going to establish these routing centers for card, and they are going to ship with the local carriers. So these local carriers are going to be the private entities which are shipping and delivering at reasonable cost the financial instruments. So different companies, different countries, like that.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Because I have not taken shipping charge from you guys, I'm figuring out how to collect shipping charge from every user because shipping charge to various countries is different and it's really, really difficult to determine also the cost of shipping from US to India because it's getting in one consignment to India and then redistributed easy. But there is also a cost in it. And some countries it's costing a lot. So, and it has to be uniform also for everyone. So trying to decide what to keep maybe a small maintenance fee on the card every year or every month or maybe a shipping charge at the time you check out with the card. So trying to decide what would be the best option for the community, most convenient option, the cheapest option, and then I will make decision. So let the update on physical card come. Shipping will start from last week of April, as I said. First batch went to Visa, got approved, samples were approved, they came back to us. Now the printing is starting. So your cards will be printed hopefully by next week. Yes.
This really sounds nice. Nice, nice, nice. And Joe, do you have another question, please?
Just for David, it's a deposit ceiling, not a profit ceiling.
Was it?
Really good, really good. I like it.
Yes, yes. And I think it's really, really interesting, Joe, because see, if I kind of have $2,500 or if I have $2,000, I will simply put money in it and then try to save more and put it. Maybe I only want to, put 2,500 or maybe $10,000 in pie and just leave it for another 5 years. And then, it's good for people.
Of course. And it was my birthday on Sunday. And I am officially of the age of nearly 60.
Okay.
So I'm 55 years old now, and I get access to my pension. So I've got big plans for Pi. But for everybody here, because of the ecosystem that we're in and the affiliate model, simply share the opportunity and you'll earn your affiliate rewards. You won't need to put any of your own money in. You could just simply put your affiliate rewards in. This can become free for everybody. Not free, but heavily discounted, if you like, just through the affiliate system. We have an amazing opportunity here. And, Shavez, if you hadn't have picked up that mantle 18 months ago, I don't know where we would have been now, but thank God you did.
Thank you, Joe. Really.
Yes.
Well, it was.
Rashid, do you have anything else on your mind?
No, that will be all, Gabriela. Let's conclude. Chavez is also busy.
Thank you, Shavez. Thank you so much. So, thank you everybody for joining this call, and there will be an evaluation form soon in the chat, and we would like to kindly ask you to share your opinion with us. And tomorrow on Thursday, we will have an exciting panel discussion and live Q&A sessions. So thank you for joining today, and please join tomorrow because you cannot afford to miss this. And I would like to take a quick break to thank you for all the co-hosts and for the efforts so we can bring you these live calls in this wonderful quality. And thank you very, very much for joining this call. And ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our event for tonight, and have an amazing day ahead. Thank you so much.
You.
Thanks, Chavez.